Hello student, I am Tamanna from Vishwas Navsharda Public School Bhuna. Today we will revise fill in the blanks of all the chapter. Let we start from chapter number 1. Dash refer to the process by which an organism take in food and use it to produce energy. तो आंसर क्या है? न्यूट्रिशन. Dash is the green pigment present in the leaves of plants. Tomata. The dash carries food produced in the leaves to all part of the plant. Food कौन करता है ट्रांसफर? फ्लोएम. Dash plant obtain food from the other green plant. कौन करते हैं? पैरासिटिक. Dash plant usually grow in solid deficient in nitrogen. तो डेफिशिएंट इन नाइट्रोजन में कौन ग्रो करते हैं? इंसेक्टिवरस. इन डैश रिलेशनशिप बोथ मेंबर म्यूचुअली बेनिफिट फ्रॉम ईच अदर. सिम्बायोटिक रिलेशनशिप. इस रिलेशनशिप में क्या होगा कि एक जो प्लांट है वो दूसरे को शेल्टर प्रोवाइड करेगा और जो दूसरा जो प्लांट है वो क्या करेगा? उसके रिवर्स उसको फूड प्रोवाइड करेगा. तो अब हम डिस्कस करते हैं लेसन 2 के फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स. First, the process of taking in food into the body is called dash ingestion. Dash has tentacle to drop food particle into the body. Hydral. Dash have a sticky tongue to catch their prey. Frogs. Finger-like outgrowth formed by amoeba are called pseudopodia. Dash are present on either side of incisor. Canines. Digestion of carbohydrate begins in the dash mouth. Hydrochloric acid is secreted in the dash stomach. Digestive juice called bile is secreted by dash liver. Dash is an example of ruminant. Sheep. Digested food from the dash passes into the small intestine. Abomasum. Lesson number 3. Dash wool is obtained from the Angora goat. Mohair. Process of sorting and grouping wool is called dash grading. The wool is packed into dash and sent to the mills. Bales. The 4 stages in the life cycle of silk moth are egg, larva, pupa and adult. Different kinds of dash give us different variety of silk. Silk moths, tushar, muga and dash are 3 variety of silk. Kosa. Match the following. ये हम नेक्स्ट वीडियो में करेंगे डिस्कस. तो अब हम नेक्स्ट लेसन के फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स डिस्कस करेंगे. डैश आर फॉर्म्ड व्हेन 2 और मोर डैश जॉइन टुगेदर. मॉलिक्यूल फॉर्म होते हैं जब 2 या 2 से ज्यादा एटम्स को हम टुगेदरली ज्वाइन करें. केमिकल सिंबल फॉर द एलिमेंट सिल्वर इज Ag. एलिमेंट्स विद एटोमिसिटी 2 आर कॉल्ड डायटोमिक. डैश इज एन एग्जांपल ऑफ केमिकल चेंज. रस्टिंग. डैश आर सॉलिड्स हैविंग ए डेफिनेट ज्योमेट्रिकल शेप. क्रिस्टल्स. Acetic acid, formic acid and tartaric acid are dash organic acid. Dash are sour in taste. Acid. The chemical name of common salt, sodium chloride. When you use phenolphthalein as an indicator, it gives the color dash pink. Litmus is used an indicator. Dash salt is formed when a weak acid reacts with a strong acid. Acidic salt. The sun is about 1.39 million kilometer in diameter. The earth is third planet from the sun. Earth tilt is 23.5 degree. Place close to the sea have dash climate moderate. Animal and plants undergo dash too so that they are able to survive in particular climate. Adaptation. Animals living in dash climate need to conserve water. Dry and hot. Elephants have large flapping ears which help them to stay dash cool. Leaf and stick insect adapt to their environment by dash camouflage. In polar region, animals adapt to conserve dash to stay warm. Body heat. Animals like polar bears and seals have dash deposit fat डिपोजिट कोल्ड ब्लबर अंडर द स्किन. और क्या होते हैं ये इनको वार्म रखती है ये जो ब्लबर है. Breakdown of rocks over a period of time forms soil. If the parent rock is dark brown, the solid will be dash dark brown. Property of the soil depend on the property of air and water content. The difference in the soil, the difference in dash of soil determine its texture. Particle size. Clay soil becomes dash and dash when wet, sticky और हैवी हो जाती है जब गीली होती है. Plants grow well in dash soils, neutral. Terrace farming is method to prevent dash soil erosion. Prevention of soil erosion is called soil conservation. Deforestation dash soil erosion increase. We should try to use dash pesticide and fertilizer to decrease soil pollution. Organic. Now the last lesson, lesson number 9. Dash and water are formed as waste product of aerobic respiration. Carbon dioxide. Insect breathe dash through holes called spiracles. Aquatic animal breathe with the help of gills. Exchange of gases in plant occur in the stomata. Carbon dioxide and alcohol are products of dash respiration, anaerobic respiration. स्टूडेंट ये थे हमारे फिल इन द ब्लैंक सभी लेसन्स के. तो आप लोगों को ये अच्छे से रिवाइज करने हैं और नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम या तो नेम द फॉलोइंग डिस्कस कर लेंगे या बाकी जो एक्सरसाइज बची है वो डिस्कस करेंगे. थैंक यू, बाय बाय, कीप स्टडिंग.